Hello everyone, as you can see this is Samsung Galaxy S21 5G and the charging port is damaged by liquid. So you're going to replace it. This charging port replacement is so simple, even it looks so hard, but it's super easy. Alright, you don't have to replace the port itself by soldering it. What we can do, we can change the entire part with the SIM base as well. Okay. So here is the replacement. I got it from eBay. It cost me around 10 or 12 pound, I can remember. That's the part, as you can see. The charging port plus the SIM base, both of them together. Okay, so let's do it. We should have few tools. First of all, the SIM ejector tool, and then flat opening tool like that. The plastic would be best. I never suggest to use any sort of metal. Okay, later on we're going to use the plastic guard anyway. And then Phillips screwdriver, as you can see, hair dryer, and also I do have the automatic screw and the actual tweezer. Okay, that would help. So first of all, we need to take out the SIM tray, and then we're going to apply some heat to melt it down, the back cover, so it would be easier to remove the actual adhesive underneath. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for your support as usual. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Hope you'll enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much.